Okay, my head unit is off. Okay, let's turn it off and let's check the connections. I didn't should. I think I should make some light with my cell phone here. Okay, let's see here. Let's adjust the camera so you can see it better. I think it's better now. So as you can see here, it's a really shit. Why is that? Let's see if it works. The light is really low here. Let's place this tape here so we can reuse it. Let's see how it's the recording are. So as you can see here, the connections have to be made. Cutting the wire, not cutting, but make, I don't know how to say that in English. You just split the wire here to get the connections. So it's done like this, so I won't lose the guarantee from the Subaru. See, the connections on this head unit is really similar, okay, but as I told you, my car have these connections here. Let's see very close. See this one? It's small. It's not big. So let's check. See this one here? This square here is big. This is not for my Subaru, okay? This one is the same that came with this unit. And I had to cut the wires. I don't know if it's here because I think it's cut it off. I think the guy that installed my car cut it out, so that's why it's not here, okay? But the connector for this car is this one, at least I think. Let's check right now. If I'm wrong, I will not be able to connect this one here, but fits perfectly. That's fantastic. So I won't need to cut any wires. That's wonderful. Okay, let's see if I can put this light somewhere. I need my hands free. Okay, so this connector fits here. Okay, let's take this head unit off. This connector is really tight here. Okay, it's off, and let's take all off. Here, that's the antenna for GPS, and that's Wi-Fi antenna, and that's the radio antenna. Okay, as you can see, this head unit, as the one I bought, we have this connector here. This connector, this control is for this panel here. Okay, the unit from 2016 and below don't have this, so instead this one here is down here, and here is a black hole, so it won't have anything here. So I took it off from this one and just lock to the new one and it fits. Okay, it's very simple to remove. This part here is the same, and this one here too is the same. Just press it and it will get off. This one here requires a screwdriver, as you can see here, but it's very simple too. Just take it off, okay, and place it on the new one. All right, as this one is off, let's place it elsewhere and let's try to install the new one just by connecting the wires without any other cuts. Okay, that's a mess. I know it's a mess, but I will have to ignore all these connections here because I have the connections. Let's see, this one was there, this one here, I think it's the power connector. It's similar to this one. Let's see. Oh, it fits. Let's see. Clack. Don't have any clacks, but it fits. Okay, to remove it, just press and remove. Okay, what now? Which one? Oh, this is the antenna, and this one I think that's for the